Welcome to the world of the stock market. Ever wondered how people make money by simply investing in companies? Let's dive in and unlock the knowledge of share market together. Hey everyone, I am Subrat Kumar and you are watching The True HR. We will empower you. Blogging course start karthulu and got a good response from your end. Thank you so much for that. Now we have started a new course in our skill up program, Market Mastery. एथिरे आमे दबु stock market education from zero to hero. This is stock market course chapter 1 and after finishing this course I promise आपनकर किछि भी doubt रहबनी and you can create a huge wealth for you and for your loved ones. So now what is the stock market? मैं भी recently एठी Esplanade Mall जाइथली and just having taste of pizza, not good for health but you know sometimes it is necessary, So got an example from that. Imagine you buy a piece of a pizza company. If the pizza company does well, your piece becomes more valuable. That's essentially what the stock market is. Why invest in the stock market? Investing in the stock market can help you build wealth, achieve financial goals and even beat inflation. Let's start with the basics. A share is a unit of ownership in a company. A stock market is a marketplace where shares are bought and sold. And a stock index is a measure of the overall performance of a group of stocks. मैं आपको सिंपल कर दूची. See, you go to Paria market and आपनकर buy करिवार अछि, let's suppose आलू. So here आलू is like share and that Paria market or hatta is like stock market. Just example deli to make you understand only. Now let's talk about the importance of share market education. Remember, investing in the stock market is not a gamble. It requires knowledge and understanding. That's why education is crucial. Loko kuanti share market is very dangerous to invest or trade, but let me tell you, drive a car or a bike is equally dangerous. But if you know how to drive, then do you think is it dangerous? लोक तो बाइक रे भी मोबाइल कॉल रिसीव कर दउचंदी without stopping their ride. Similarly, when you know how to do it in market, then there will be no issue and you will enjoy doing this, having, creating a huge capital. That's why education is important and subscribe my channel is equally important. Subscribe now. In the coming videos, we will delve deeper into various aspects of the stock market, from fundamental analysis to technical analysis and everything. So stay tuned and let's meet on this exciting journey together.